Hi po everybody! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Please like, share, and subscribe. At ngayon naman ay titignan natin kung ano yung mga hula or prediction na ginawa natin for Catherine Bernardo. 2023 pa pala itong last prediction natin. Ang tagal na kasi natin hindi nakagawa ng video. So ayun, tingnan natin yung mga hula na sa tingin natin nagkatotoo for Catherine Bernardo last 2024, early parts ng 2024. So, alam naman natin na 2023 was a big breakup year for Catherine Bernardo. Yun nga doon natin na nag-official confirmation na talaga sila na break up na sila ni Danielle Padilla after 11 years of their relationship. It was sad to know, but ganun talaga, people make their decisions at isa din talaga yun sa mga decisions with Catherine and Danielle. So, ang hula pala natin, I'll ilalagay ko sa link, yung link ng hula natin ilalagay ko sa comment sa video para ma-check ninyo. At yun nga, ano bang hula natin na nalagay last year? May hula kasi tayo dito na a month starting late April 2023, there could be abuse or being abused, being impolite, disputes, strong sexual matters, at mga disrespect at mga strong attraction. It might involve a child or younger person, a male person, artist, at may impact sa kanyang performance at competitiveness. May isa din tayong related hula na 3.5 months starting late May 2023. May mga poor risk-taking, personal mess, mga being inexperienced, being stagnant. Tapos may another hula tayo na 2.5 months starting late March 2023. May mga problematic partnerships at mga public relations concerns. Hindi at that time wala pa tayong masyadong information, or even kahit ngayon hindi naman talaga super duper clear. We only have these rumors, but based sa isang rumor or cryptic post na nakita natin sa kapatid ni Catherine, yun nga na parang nasan ba yung cryptic post na yun? Nandito lang yun eh. Ito. Ang sabi dito sa cryptic post ng kapatid ni Catherine is, "We know what you did last summer." Tapos nag-write siya, sinulat niya pala yung years na 2017, 2018, 2019, 2021, at 2023. So, yung hula natin is 2023, diba? So, swak na swak. Summer daw eh. So, yung mga periods na nahulaan natin is yun nga, March, April, May. So, summer na summer. Pati, I think covered na nila yung June. So, summer na summer. Kung ililink natin, dito yata yung sigurong yung mga alleged cheating na naganap for Danielle Padilla. So, yun yung mga personal mess na hinulaan natin at mga problematic partnership. Medyo swak siya. Sa kung i-match natin sa cryptic message ng kapatid ni Catherine. So may mga child or younger person pa nga nito, so for sure, well, most likely eto na yung mga allegedly involved sa cheating incident. At may mga nag-mention din tayo ng artist, so it seems so. At yung male person, of course, si Danielle Padilla na talaga yan. Sino bang involved dito sa rumors nito? Marami yata yung nadawit na pangalan eh. May mga Andrea Brillantes, although yung kay Andrea parang last year lang yan. Ibang story yata yung kay Andrea. Yung dito siguro yung may Vietnamese person. Tapos may isang pangalan na nakalimutan. Vicencio? Yung Vicencio ba yun? Jillian Vicencio. So, well, we can only conclude, but yeah, yun yung mga names na na-drag kasi during the incident. So, apparently, during this time pa talaga, most likely nag-start yung snowball feelings, kaya nag-lead to the breakup. So, may mga incident na nangyari din talaga, most likely during this time, based na rin, which match na sa hula natin. Yung sunod naman na hula natin, yung 4 months starting late November 2023, ang hula natin dito is my unhelpful artist, unable to deliver results. However, kahit pa paano may good competitiveness at nice public relations. So, November swak na swak kasi kailan sila nag-official? Mga November 30, 2023 yata yung official confirmation ng kanilang breakup sa public. So, ayun, yun nga, unable to deliver results. Unahan din yung unhelpful artist kasi yun nga, may mga involved artists sa kanilang breakup according to the rumors. Tapos, yung unable to deliver results in a way na parang the relationship, 11-year relationship, supposedly, next step is, yun nga, di ba, marriage na sana, but they weren't able, they were unable to deliver the next step, next result of the relationship. So, parang ganun siguro yung description ng hula natin. However, na-note naman natin na at least for Catherine, may nice public relations and in a way, good competitiveness. Kasi let's face it, nung lumabas yung rumor, yung simpatya ng publiko pumunta talaga kay Catherine. Especially nga dahil sa mga alleged cheating rumors ni Danielle Padilla during that time. So, medyo nag-swak din yung nice public relations na hula natin for Catherine for the 4 months, diba? And I think you can recall na medyo yun nga, pabor yung public kay Catherine side during these times. So, sayang nga, hindi ko nalagay, ewan ko ba, bakit hindi ko nasama yung isang period na yun na a month starting late September to October. So, yun supposedly yung big impact ng parang big clashes during that period. And kung babasahin kasi natin yung mga other rumors or articles dito, parang official na during that time sila nag-break. That's still among themselves, hindi pa publicly, at sinasabi nga sa write-up na by the ABS-CBN ball, break up na sila during that time, which swak sana sa prediction natin, but wala akong proof to put that, but sige, next time na lang. Okay, so ano pa ba? Well, kahit papano, kahit nag-break up nga sila, may mga itong hula na 2 months starting late January 2024, may mga desired attention and better launching pa rin kahit papano kay Catherine during these times. Wala namang tigil, di ba? Yung mga brand launch, mga advertisements na pumapasok sa kanya, parang again, mas pabor sa kanya yung mga at least wealth-wise, may mga dumadating pa rin at career-wise kay Catherine, may marami pa rin dumadating na blessings on her part. So, okay, tapos, isa nga pala, no, isang reason daw na parang naging last straw sa part ni Catherine, yung pag-amin di umano ni Andrea Brillantes personally sa kanya about their quote-unquote one-time fling ni Andrea Brillantes at Catherine, ni Danielle Padilla pala ba yun? Which happened like 2021 pa naman . So, parang ang story daw dun sa article is nakonsensya yata si Andrea, kaya and as advised daw by someone, not sure kung spiritual person ba yan, she needs to ask some sort of forgiveness, kaya nakipagkita siya in person kay Kath at nag-confess with all the screenshots of their conversation. Pero one time, incident lang yata yun daw, yung kina Andrea at Danielle, but in a way, yun yata yung naging last straw, di umano, kaya nakapag-decide lang si Catherine na mag-give up na sa kanilang relationship ni Danielle. So, in a way, medyo relevant talaga si Andrea Brillantes. Siya yata yung matutukoy natin na child or younger person na that wasn't really help, na pwede yung unhelpful artist at unhelpful in a way sa kanilang relationship ni Catherine at Danielle. Although siguro may good intention naman in one way si Andrea, but yun nga sa relationship naman ni Catherine at Danielle, it caused disruption. Kaya ayun, nangyari. The truth came out at yun, napunta na talaga sa hiwalayan. So, ano pa ba yung mga ang daming, it was a very big news yung hiwalayan ng Kathniel. The Kathniel fans were really devastated. Imagine 11 years, diba? And supposedly papunta na talaga sa kasal, but hindi na lang talaga nag-proceed. I remember during that time, parang very matunog yung pangalan ni OG Diaz kasi binansagan pa siyang fake news peddler. Pero ayun, when everything was cleared, ay naging patron ng mga hiwalayan tuloy siya. But yun nga, it was maraming nadamay during that breakup. But well, and again, based din talaga sa prediction natin, there were still nice public relations for Catherine specifically, aside sa simpatya ng public, marami pa rin naman yung mga endorsements niya, very blessed pa rin siya in the matters of career. So yeah, kahit papano, it was still may bawi sa part ni Catherine. So, yun nga na, after January, nag-unfollow na si Catherine dito kay Danielle sa Instagram. Nag-post din siya, nag-like din pala si Catherine ng itong post about mistake repeated. So, in a way, parang sort of confirmation or consistent sa mga rumors about cheating ni Danielle Padilla, alleged cheating ni Danielle Padilla. Kasabay din nun sa yung cryptic message revelation ng kapatid ni Catherine. So still lumabas na nga yung katotohanan, but of course for sure continue pa rin ang mga buhay-buhay ni na Catherine. There's a time to heal and to move on, but for sure naman in the future, when she is ready, she will eventually find that person na deserve naman niya. Deserve naman ni Catherine talaga naman, di ba, na magkaroon ng love life ulit. She has been a very good girl. Yun nga, isa din yun sa mga highlight last year niya pala, yung movie niya together with, yun nga, yung very big bomb na breakup during that time. But yeah, she has been a very good girl, and for sure she deserves all the blessings, and hopefully in the next years, blessing naman sa love life ang darating sa kanya ulit. Okay, I think that's it for now. Maraming salamat po sa panonood at pakikinig. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At see you po sa ating next predictions. Salamat po ulit.